Welcome to Seller University. In this video, we will be discussing SAFE-T reimbursements. SAFE-T stands for Seller Assurance for E-commerce Transactions. Sometimes Amazon may issue a refund on behalf of sellers. The SAFE-T feature allows sellers to file a reimbursement request for such refunds in case of operational issues that are outside of a seller's control. For example, if the customer returns a damaged, used, or different item. Let's learn how to file a SAFE-T claim. Log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Hover over the Orders tab and click on Manage SAFE-T Claims. On the right-hand side, top corner of the page, click on File a new SAFE-T claim. On the page that you will see now, enter the order ID to check the eligibility of the order. If you see a green tick mark on the page, this means that the order is eligible for filing a SAFE-T claim. Now, select the reason for the SAFE-T claim. Explain the issue in detail to ensure a fast resolution. Upload the required documents to support your claim. Read and accept the SAFE-T policy by selecting the checkbox and click on Submit. Once the SAFE-T claim is submitted, you will receive a notification to confirm the submission of the claim. For any correspondence related to a claim or to appeal a claim decision, sellers must reply via the Manage SAFE-T Claims page by clicking on the View Message button referring to that claim. Here you can also learn about the reason for denial if your claim was denied. Please note that any misrepresentation or attempted abuse of the SAFE-T process may lead to indemnification, damages, termination, or temporary suspension of our services, including your seller account. Next, let's find out how to view the status of a SAFE-T claim. On the top right corner of the Manage SAFE-T Claims page, enter either the order ID, SAFE-T Claim ID, or ASIN of the order you want to search for and click on Search or View Claims using the Sort option. Click here to sort by claim date or order date or filter as per the date range. Sellers can either file SAFE-T claims through the Amazon Seller Central desktop site or via the Amazon Seller app. To ensure the success of your SAFE-T claims, make sure to carefully review the reimbursement policies on our help pages in Seller Central to learn which use cases are eligible for reimbursement via SAFE-T and what restrictions apply. That wraps up our video. Thank you and happy selling!